Hi students, welcome back to our channel UTLearn. So we are here today to learn about the intermediate second year 2A chapter 4 theory of equations. And in this video we are going to learn about the very short answer questions which are going to appear in your exams. So we'll start. The first one, form the equation whose roots are 2 plus or minus root 3 and 1 plus or minus 2i. So the solution for this is, given roots are 2 plus or minus root 3 and 1 plus or minus 2i. So, since if alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta, okay, if alpha, beta, gamma and delta are the roots, then x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma into x minus delta is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the formula, and so required equation here, what we get is, required equation, okay, is, referring to the above formula, we can write this as x minus 2 plus root 3, okay, then x minus 2 minus root 3, then x minus 1 plus 2i, x minus 1 minus 2i, which is equal to 0, right? So, x minus 2 minus root 3. Okay, we can write this as x minus 2 minus root 3. Then x minus 2 plus root 3, x minus 1 minus 2i, x minus 1 plus 2i, which is equal to 0. Okay, so that implies x minus 2 whole square minus 3. Okay, how did you get this? Because this one and this one, okay, these two are in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So we know that a plus b into a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so we got a square minus b square, and this one will be x minus 1 whole square minus 4i square. Okay, we got from these two, okay, which is equal to 0, right? So that implies x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3 into x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so which implies that x square minus 4x plus 1 into x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So which implies that x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 5x square minus 4x cube plus 8x square minus 20x plus x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, which implies that x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 14x square minus 22x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation which is formed using the roots given. So now we'll move on with the second question. If minus 1, 2 and alpha are the roots of the equation 2x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0, then find alpha. Okay, so we have to find the root value of alpha here. So it's given that minus 1, 2 and alpha are the roots of the equation 2x cube plus x square minus 7x minus x is equal to 0. So here we know that sum of the roots, which is called as S1, okay, is equal to minus A1 by A0. So here this is our A1 and this is A0. Okay, so that implies minus 1 plus 2 plus alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so which implies that 1 plus alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. That means alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 by 2. So the value of alpha is minus 3 by 2. So now the third one, if 1, minus 2 and 3 are the roots of the equation given, then find the value of a. So it's given that f of x is equal to, that is the equation x cube minus 2x square plus ax plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, and also given that 1, minus 2 and 3 are the roots of f of x is equal to 0. Okay, so since there's a formula that if f alpha is a root of f of x is equal to 0, then f of alpha is also equal to 0. Okay, so by using this formula we get that f of 1 is equal to 0, which implies that 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 6 is equal to 0, which implies 1 minus 2 plus a plus 6 is equal to 0. That means a plus 5 is equal to 0, which is a is equal to minus 5. So the value of a is minus 5. Okay. So now the fourth one, if the product of the roots of 4x cubed plus 16x square minus 9x minus a is equal to 0 is 9, then find a. Okay, so given that the products of the roots of this equation is equal to 9. So let us suppose alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the equation. Okay, let these be the roots of the equation given. We know that S3, that is the product of the roots is equal to minus A3 by A0. So here in this equation, that is 4x cubed plus 16x square minus 9x minus a is equal to 0. So this is when A0, A1, A2 and A3, right? So that means here A3 is equal to minus A. Okay, A3 is our minus A divided by A0. A0 is 4. Okay, so that means minus into minus, it's plus a by 4. So the product of the roots is a by 4. And here we know that product of the roots, that is alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, so here we'll write it as S3, which is equal to the product of the roots, that is alpha, beta, gamma, is equal to 9. That means a by 4 is equal to 9. Okay, that means a, sorry, this is a, that means a is equal to 36. Okay, so the value of a is 36. It's a bit simple. So now the fifth one, if 1, 1 and alpha are the roots of the equation given, then find the value of alpha. So here it's given that 1 comma 1 comma alpha are the roots of the equation x cube minus 6x squared plus 9x minus 4 is equal to 0. So since we know that S1, that is the sum of the roots, is equal to minus 1 minute. The sum of the roots is equal to minus a1 by a0. Okay. So here this is our a0, that is here it should be 1. This is a1, this is a2 and this is a3. So the sum of the roots, that is S1, that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus alpha is equal to minus a1 by a0, that is minus 6 by 1. Okay, so this becomes plus 6. So that implies 2 plus alpha is equal to 6, which implies that alpha is equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. So alpha is equal to 4 is our answer. Okay, so the sixth one, if alpha, beta and 1 are the roots of the equation given, then find alpha and beta. So we have to find the values of alpha and beta here. So it's given that alpha, beta and 1. Okay, these are the roots of the equation x cube minus 2x square, minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So now the sum of the equations, the sum of the roots, that is S1 is equal to sum of the roots is equal to minus a1 by a0. So that is, this is a0 and this is a1. So that means here it will be minus of minus 2 by 1, which is equal to plus 2. Okay. So now alpha plus beta plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. So which implies that alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Okay. We will consider this as 1. And now we will go with the product, that is S3 is equal to product of the roots, which is equal to minus a3 by a0, right? So that will be equal to, here this is our a2 and this is our a3. So minus 6 by 1, that is equal to minus 6. Okay. So that implies alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus 6. So that means alpha beta is equal to minus 6. So therefore, since alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Okay. So since we can write in this form, right? We can write that alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This is just the formula of a minus b whole square. It can be written as a plus b whole square minus 4ab, right? So I have taken that here. This can be written as, so here alpha plus beta is equal to 1, we know, right? So it will be 1 plus 24. That is, how do we get it? Okay, I'll show you in detail. Okay, 1 minus 4 into alpha beta, that is minus 6, which is equal to 1 plus 24, that is equal to 25. So that means alpha minus beta will be equal to the root of 25, that is 5. Okay, so we will consider this as 2. So here we got the value of alpha plus beta and also the value of alpha minus beta. So now by adding 1 and 2, so 1 plus 2, that is alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta, okay, is equal to 1 plus 5. That means 2 alpha and beta will get cancelled here. So 2 alpha is equal to 6. That means alpha is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Okay. So the value of alpha is 3, and so therefore we can find the value of beta now. So we know that alpha plus beta is equal to 1. That means beta is equal to 1 minus alpha, that is 3. So it's minus 2. Okay. So alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 2. Okay. So now we'll move with the seventh question. If alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the equation given, then find the first bit, that is summation of alpha square beta square. Given that alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the equation x cube minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is equal to 2. That is minus of minus 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. Okay. And since we know that S1 is equal to minus A1 by A0 and S2 is equal to A2 by A0 and S3 is equal to, that is product is equal to A3 by A0. Okay, so you have to remember this formula. Now S2 is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is equal to 3 here. Okay, that is 3 by 1, which is equal to 3. Then S3 is equal to alpha beta gamma, which is equal to minus of minus 4 by 1, which is equal to 4. Okay, so now first we'll find the first bit. Okay, that is sigma alpha square beta square, which can be written as alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square, that is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha the whole square minus 2 alpha beta gamma into alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, that can be written as, okay, that is equal to 3 square minus 2 into 4 into 2, which is equal to 9 minus 16, that is equal to minus 7. Okay, so our first bit is done. So now we'll move on to the second bit, that is the summation of alpha square beta plus the summation of alpha beta square. So actually in our textbook the question is given as summation of alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So it may be asked in either of these two ways. Okay, so don't get confused. So now we can write this as, okay, so if the question is given in this way, just write it in this form so that it will be easy for you to proceed further. So now this can be written as alpha beta into alpha plus beta plus beta gamma into beta plus gamma plus gamma alpha into gamma plus alpha. So this can be written as alpha square beta plus alpha beta square plus beta gamma square plus, sorry, beta square gamma plus beta gamma square plus gamma square alpha plus gamma alpha square. So now what we'll do is we will add, okay, add 3 alpha beta gamma and subtract, okay, add and subtract 3 alpha beta gamma to the above one. Okay, so that becomes alpha square beta plus alpha beta square plus beta square gamma plus beta gamma square plus gamma square alpha plus gamma alpha square plus alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta gamma. So I told you that 3 alpha beta gamma we are going to add. So that means I've just separated it. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and then we will subtract 3 alpha beta gamma. Okay, so we do not require this, so I'm just writing it as it is. So now what I'll do is uh, we will take alpha as a common here. So if we take alpha as a common, so this will become alpha beta plus, and where is our one more alpha? Okay, this one. Okay, we'll consider this from this beta gamma plus, we need to get alpha gamma here, gamma alpha, so we will consider this one. Okay, so when alpha is taken as common, we'll get gamma alpha here. Okay, so then plus beta into the same way again, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha again, and then same way take gamma as common, and then write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay, then this minus 3 alpha beta gamma will remain as it is, and then we can take alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha as common here. So the remaining things will be alpha plus beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha beta gamma. Okay, so now from the first bit, that is, we'll go to the first bit and check. From the first bit we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2. Okay, and then alpha beta gamma is equal to 4, and the S2 is equal to 3. Okay, so we will insert these formulas, we will insert these values in our second bit. Okay, so here this is 3, right? 3 into 2 minus 3 into 4. Okay, that is equal to 6 minus 12, that is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 is the answer for the second bit. Okay.